Man, if you're like me, this beautiful weather is fantastic. But what comes with that in spring is all of this yucky stuff, right? And so for many people, that's a runny, itchy, stuffy nose, that's dry, itchy eyes, puffy skin, just kind of some of the misery that comes with chronic seasonal allergies. And so I'd like to invite you to come join us, Wellness Key Chiropractic, in our office on March 16th. That's going to be a Wednesday at 6:15 p.m. We're going to go over multiple natural strategies that you can do from inside out and even natural things from outside in to help you deal with the allergies and allergy season. I hope to see you there.
Hey Cherie,
Hey.
I lost my key tag.
That's not a problem at all. We actually have the iPad here that you can use. Do you have a 520 phone number?
I do have a 520.
Great. So what you're going to use as your PIN is going to be your phone number. You're going to put your phone number in just without the 520.
Okay.
So the last 7 digits, okay?
Good. Hit the little blue arrow.
Uh-huh. And then it should give you a green check mark.
I did get green check mark.
Good. That's what you want to see. Perfect.
Miguel, C.
Please proceed to table 5.
There we go. We're going to table 5 now. So remember, there are 5 tables back here. Each table does have a number either above the computers or above the doorways. We are on table 5. Table 5 is my only computer that does not have a scanner. So on this computer, you're going to use your cell phone number just like we did up in the front. So remember, I don't have a 520, so I'm going to put my number in without the 520. Put my number in on the keyboard, not the screen. Press enter. My information pulls up. That's what I want to see, that screen right there. Once you have signed in, I'll have you go face down on the table. Remember, shoulders will be below this point, face in the crevice, and hands on the pads. Nice and relaxed, happy thoughts. That way you get the best adjustment possible. Miguel here from
All right, we're into February now. So it's been 2.5 months since the new year started. How are you doing on your goals? Physical, financial, mental. What's the last book that you've read? Where are you at in your progress this year? Doesn't matter your age, where you're at in life, how much progress have you made this year? We're 2 months in, over 2 months in, we should be, 1/6 of the way towards our goals. How are you doing? I'm just checking in. I want the best for you. Can't wait to adjust you this week.
Hey guys, Cherie from Wellness Key Chiropractic here. It's been a long time since you've seen my face up here, but I'm here to remind you about checking in as well as your schedule. So main important thing is going to be that schedule and getting that set up for the week or even a month out or even months out if we can. Keeping a consistent schedule is going to really help us keep you on track. So if maybe 1 week you're unable to make it just due to life and unseen circumstances, let me know and we can go ahead and get that schedule revamped for you so we can have that appointment made up either the next week or another day that week. We want to make sure that your care is being kept up with and we're not having you fall behind. Because we would hate to have you miss at least like a week or 2 weeks unless you're going on vacation, of course, life, you leave town. But let's really make sure that your schedule is set up. If you need help with that, I can help you. We also have the app, and if you're curious about that, you can also reschedule your appointments through the app as well as make new ones. And if you have questions about that, it is at the front desk and I can help you. So if you need help with your schedule, I am the girl for you. You can always call or text me. If you're running late, we can always squeeze you in or get things moved around. Do not be afraid to change things, okay? If you need anything, I am here for you. You guys have a good week.
Hey guys, it's Sydney from Wellness Key Chiropractic. As you all know, I started here about a month ago. Initially came in as a patient. I had a really bad neck, really bad back. I'd gotten in a car accident at home. Eventually I fell in love with this chiropractic office and I ended up working here. My goal here is to help you all through rehabilitation and to keep it clean around here.
All right, if you're like me, maybe you'd like to increase your flexibility. Maybe you need to work on your extension. Holding some positions, some moves. We have at Wellness Key this coming week, Tuesday at 6:15, a free yoga class. Bring your own mat, please, but it's a gentle, safe beginner yoga class, and we'd love to see you there.
It's a nice looking truck, huh?
It's a beautiful truck.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. Okay. Well, we got some maintenance to do on it, so put this in here.
What you putting in there, Dr. B?
Just sugar. Sugar's
Sugar.
good, right?
Probably not good for your truck.
Well, it's got an oil change. It's got some premium gas in it. So this is just keeping me going.
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
All right, I'll put something healthier in it. How about some natural almond butter?
I think that still isn't gonna work for you.
Okay. Well, that's confusing. I thought if I just took care of it once or twice or for a month or something, it'd be fine.
I don't think that's how it works.
So I need to take care of it forever.
I mean, as long as you want it to keep running for you.
All right. That makes a lot of sense. You know, that reminds me, it's kind of like chiropractic. I might get out of pain and even better posture maybe after a month, 2 months, 3 months, a year. Do I stop there? What's funny, about 90% of our patients here in the office have been here for well over a few years, some even a decade. Okay, several of our patients, you know who you are, have been here 4 or 5, 6 years, and that's awesome. I'm going to be adjusted the rest of my life. I'm not symptomatic right now, and that's why I get adjusted weekly, because I know it's going to keep me out of those symptoms, out of other conditions, other issues. Taking this crap? No, we don't want that, okay? Almond butter, hey, not bad. It's actually better than peanut butter. But all these good, healthy choices, lifestyle changes, that's what we're looking for. That's what keeps us going till we're in our 80s, our 90s, getting into triple digits. Some of our patients are like that. Why? Because they take care of themselves. And that's what we want to do to you, take care of you, help you take care of yourself, make those lifestyle changes, and just keep you ticking, keep you going forever. Lifestyle change, better quality of life. See you here in the office.
What does apple cider vinegar, coconut milk, and green juice all have in common? Join us March 16th, Wednesday, 6:15 p.m. as we go over natural allergy solutions. I hope to see you there. Hey guys, Dr. Utash here, Therapeutic Thursday. We've just seen a lot of patients who've either had kind of plugged up ears, maybe even some weird noises in their ears, maybe even some tinnitus. And we've seen really great results with a eustachian tube adjustment. And so in adults, the eustachian tube is kind of at an angle. And so this is gonna be just pulled up and out like that. And so this oftentimes really allows for that drainage in through there. Hearing can improve if it's all plugged up. You might notice that just that warm sensation of it draining afterwards. You could even rub it down, but it's a great way. Right now we're in cold and flu season. So if we adjust the ear, whether you're a patient here or even trying it on yourself, that's gonna open that up a little bit better drainage. And then obviously some of those symptoms are gonna start to go away naturally. Again, I'm Dr. Joe Utash, Therapeutic Thursday, eustachian tube adjustment.